This is a logistic park constructed by and owned by Mr. Surendra Gumbar. This is created in 4-acre land. This is the entrance gate. Inside the park, there are a company like Apollo, Adani, Reliance, this is the office section given by Gumbarji for every individual godown or warehouse the company has hired here. This is the inside the office. They are ready to give bifurcation from here. This 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 chambers they will give to us. Each chamber is almost 200 square feet, and this will be separated from here. The office has pantry facilities, separate toilet for ladies, gents, basin and urinal. This road is around 40 feet wide. This is the godown of Z Black Agarbatti. This is the warehouse of Adani Wilmar. This is the warehouse by Reliance. And this is the warehouse by Apollo Pharmacy. This is the dock they have given for every godown. This is the inside. This is the Trimax. This is the newly constructed godown that he has offered to us. The godown has 8 dock spaces. Here in the front they have 83 feet long space for parking the vehicles, and here they are giving 2 dock spaces. भाई वो बता ना, ठीक है तो थोड़ा लगाता हूँ आपको बाद में, है ना। The entire campus has a boundary. This is the godown which is under construction. The godown has a dimension of 45 into 160 feet. So of such dimensions they are giving us 2 godown. It is 7,200 square feet plus 7,200 square feet. Between the 2 godowns there is also a space, open space of 42 by 45 feet. This also be used for dog purpose with proper shade. All godowns will be provided the shades like it is given in these godowns. This is another godown, 7,200 square feet. So these 2 godowns are adjacent, 7,200 square feet, and another godown of 7,200 square feet. And this is the section in between, which will have a rooftop. For this can be used as a dock during loading, unloading, or for keeping the small vehicles.